Good morning, my dear students. I request you all to open page number 114 from your maths textbook to learn the next concept from lesson number 8. Students, today we are going to start with biggest and smallest. Exercise 16 is given, children, here. Put a tick mark on the biggest number. They have given few set of number. You all have to put the tick mark on the biggest number. Now you all can observe in the A. There are 4 numbers: 90, 26, 81, 18. Put a tick mark on the biggest number. So you all have to find out the biggest number here and you all have to put the tick mark over there. So like this way you all can tick mark. Now let me explain the one more example. Now I have to find out the biggest number among those 4 numbers. Now 65 is the biggest number. So I put a tick mark over there. Like this way you all can solve the remaining examples. Now let us come to the ascending order or descending order. Children, you all have learnt about the ascending order and descending order in the lesson number 1. So when you arrange the numbers or arrange the things from smaller to bigger, it is called ascending. So when the things are arranged smaller to bigger, it's called ascending. And when the things are arranged bigger to smaller, it's called descending order. Now you in exercise 17 you all have to arrange those numbers in ascending or descending order. Now in the first column they have given ascending order. Ascending order means the smaller will come first. So I will be arranging this number from smaller to bigger. I have to find out the first smallest number in between these 3 numbers. So I write that number. The 35 is smallest one. After the 35 there is smallest one, that is 45, and the biggest one is 55. So whenever the numbers are arranged from smaller to bigger order, it is called ascending order. Now I will be solving the second example. 24 is the smaller, so first I will write that. Not 24, there is 14 also. So first I will be writing the 14 because the smallest number is 14. After the 14 there is 24 and later there is 39. So like this way you all can arrange it to smaller to bigger. In the same way we have to arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller. Now find out the first bigger number among these 3 numbers. The 94 is the bigger number. So I wrote that number first in the first box. After 94, which is the biggest number, second biggest number? That is 49. After the smallest number is 42. So like this way, you all can solve the descending order. Now, I will solve the second example also. The biggest number is 62 is there. So I will erase it. The biggest number is 62. Then after the 62 there is 53. Then 35. So like this way you all can solve all the remaining examples. Now let us come to the new concept from this lesson, that is ordinal numbers. I request you all to open page number 115 from your maths textbook, children. The page number 115. So you all have to understand the concept of ordinal numbers here, children. Now just assume that there is a car race happening between the many cars. So let me count the cars here first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 cars, children. How many cars are there? 10 cars. So whenever we keep a race between the cars, so you one other car will be winning the race. So at that time you have to tell the position of that car. Example, now if you want to show the position of the car, then we have to use the ordinal numbers. Means when we use a counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, so these all numbers tell us about the how many objects are there. Example, if I want to count how many are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I want to find out the quantity or how many, then I have to tell it as then I have to count this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this way. So you can use the normal numbers. But when you want to tell the position of the particular object, then we have to use the ordinal numbers. So similarly, when we place the things in the order, we have to tell the order of the things in a set as first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So if you want to find out the position of the first, we have to tell it as the first. The blue car has come first. So whenever you want to tell the position, then we have to use the ordinal numbers like first, F-I-R-S-T, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So whenever you want to tell the order of the things, when the things were kept in the order, and if you want to tell the position of those things, then we have to use the ordinal numbers. What we have to use, children? Ordinal numbers. Now they have given exercise 18 here. These children are waiting to see the principal. Fill in the blanks. Now they have given the ordinal numbers here. Why they have given so? Because they want to find out the position of the each child. Then they have to use the ordinal number concepts. Now who is first? Yes, children. Can you all tell me who has stood the first? Anil has stood the first. So Anil is first. Who is second? The Sushma is second. Who is sixth? You all have to tell me who is sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rahul is standing sixth. So like this way you all can use the ordinal number and find out the position of each child which is standing in a row. So I believe you all can do the remaining exercises. Now let us turn the page. Open page number 116 from your maths textbook. In this 116 page number, we will be learning the expanded form. Now whenever you get a particular number, we can expand that number and we can write it. So how we can do it? Let us learn it. 35 can be written as 3 tens, 5 ones. So 30 plus 5. So the expanded form of 35 is 30 plus 5. 3 tens and 5 ones are there. So like this way you all can write the expanded, means you can divide the tens and ones among the particular number and you can write it. Example, they have given 73. So how many tens are there, children? 7 tens are there. And how many ones are there? 3 ones are there. So this is called the expanded form. When you divide the particular number into the tens and ones, it is called expanded form. Now 84 is there, children. 8 tens are there and 4 ones are there. So like this way you all can write the expanded form of the number. I believe you all can do the remaining exercises which are given in page number 16 and page number 17. Thank you children.